pyramidal fissure. Identify the blue one. Inferior semilunar. The violet, if it's a space, prepyramidal na yan. Okay, this one, the blue one, biventral. Okay, very good. How about this one, the yellow, space? Horizontal, nandun yung superior, wala pa tayo sa superior, sa inferior pa lang tayo. So horizontal, no? Minsan yan, pag ganun yun, so iba-iba. Basta yung naghahati ng upper at saka lower. So kung yan ang horizontal, eto buong ito ay superior semilunar na. Kaya lang kung gusto mong superior semilunar, ang pin doon. Pag gusto mong inferior semilunar, ang pin dito, ha? Okay, mali dito. Pag-close po. Okay. So this one is your biventral lobule. This one is your inferior semilunar. All of that is your superior. But if you want the superior, the pin will be there. And if you want your inferior, it will be here. This is your horizontal, and this is your, what's this? Prepyramidal fissure. Masyado marami yan. Ito. For the Burmese, for a start. For the Burmese, you divide it into three. This is the first tree, this is the second tree, that is the third tree. Okay? The first tree, is made up of LCC. Yung lingula kalahati lang, ayun yung dahon niya. Itong dito walang dahon. So yung dahon niya. So that is your lingula. Yung buong dahon, central lobule. Yung pinakamalaki, culmen. So tatlo, LCC. Ito, wala, madalas napuputol. That's the first tree. The last tree, wala muna sa middle tree. The last tree na TREE, is made up also of three, THREE. Ito, katapat ng tonsil, tawag uvula. So uvula, tonsil. Above the uvula, that is your pyramids. Below the uvula, that is your nodulus. So, again, look for the tonsil. Katapat ng tonsil, uvula, mataas, pyramids, mababa, nodulus. Ito yung pinakamahirap. Because this is very variable. But let's make it easy. This is 3. It's divided into 3 again. The upper one, the lower, and the middle. If it's the upper, that's a decline. If it's in the lower, that's a tuber. If it's in the middle, then that's the folium. DFT. So meron pa yung code. LCC, DFT, PUN. Okay? How about fissures? If it's the first fissure, primary fissure. It's after the decline, it's post-clival. If it's at the level of the folium, then that's the horizontal. If it's before the pyramids, then that's prepyramidal. And then here you have your posterolateral. Okay? Kaya ano naman ito? Superior naman to, divided into 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first, pag ang tusok pa ganun, that's the ala lobule centralis. Dito, bago maputol, superior semilunar. Dalawa na lang natitira. Pag mataas, anterior quadrangular. Pag bababa, posterior quadrangular. There are only 2 spaces. If it's above, that's the primary. If it's below, it's a post-clival. Diba? Dali? Kaya dapat mabilis kayo. Ito, pangit yan. Ito. So, let's identify. This is the tonsil. This is the first tree, second tree, third tree. So that's the lingula. That's the culmen. That's the central lobule. This is the culmen. This is the decline. This is the folium. This is the tuber. That's the tonsil. So this one will be the uvula. This one will be the pyramids. That portion will be the nodulus. How about the fissure? The first tree is separated from the second tree by your primary fissure. Your second tree is separated from your third tree. Before the pyramids, it's prepyramidal. This is the decline, so that's a post-clival. This is the volume, so that's horizontal. Bilis ha? Mabilis kasi. Ang kalaban nyo dito, oras. So what's this? So all of this is your culmen. Now, culmen. Identify nyo ha? Identify. Pagka space, primary fissure. Pagka laman, anterior quadrangular. Pagka tusok ay pag gano'n, ala lobule centralis. Pag dito, posterior quadrangular. Pagka space, Postclival. Ito, superior semilunar. Ayan, dapat mabilis kayo mag-divide. Space. Primary fissure. Structure. Decline. Very good. Structure. Posterior quadrangular. Bilis naman pala. Structure. Volume. Very good. Ito mo, mabilis. Ito mo 1 second. Space. Postclival. Very good. Structure. Superior semilunar. Structure. Tuber. Ito mo, bilis. Structure. Structure. O, pagka-structure nito nasa baba na yung inferior semilunar, pagka-space horizontal. Kasi pagka gusto namin ng superior semilunar, ang tusok sa taas. Pagka gusto namin inferior semilunar dito, ha? Kaya nga huwag nyo nang isipin, ano kaya ito? Basta tingnan nyo lang, space pa to o walang sinabi, ibig sabihin structure. Para mabilis, tulak kayo sa oras. Superior. Yan, pagka gusto namin superior. Yan. Pyramids. Very good. Yan. Dalawa na nga, divide by better. Yan. Uvula, katapat ng tonsil. Very good. Yan. Tonsil. Bigyan natin tonsil para may... Ayan. O, pakinggan nyo nakita, proculus ng space dito, posterolateral. And this is your brachium conjunctivum. Bilis kayo ha, kasi kulang ng oras. How about the basal ganglia? Basal ganglia. There are 3 considerations in looking for the basal ganglia. First, you identify the smaller nuclei, that is the caudate, that's the anterior. If some instances the caudate may not be as small in comparison because thalamus is cut, most of our specimens have a wider posterior horn of the lateral ventricle. And most of our specimens also are a bigger geniculocalcary tract on the posterior in comparison to your anterior. So this is your caudate, this is your thalamus, this is your internal capsule, this is your globus pallidus, putamen. Paano kung gusto namin yung mga external at saka string? Doon kayo magsisimula. Insula, pagputi, extreme, pag-gray, claustrum, pagputi ulit, external. Kaya pagka dito kayo, simula kayo doon. Pagka eto, simula kayo dito. Kung mas malapit dito, globus pallidus. Kung mas malayo, putamen. Pag gusto niyo yun, dito kayo magsisimula. Yung technique, this space is your lateral ventricle. Ayan. Caudate, thalamus, internal capsule, globus pallidus, putamen. Yun yung claustrum, kitang-kita. So, extreme, external, insula, lateral sylvian fissure. This is the posterior horn of the lateral ventricle, geniculocalcary tract, anterior white matter. Pagka ang tusok ay dito, splenium, genome. Pag ang tusok ay dito, forceps, posterior, anterior. O ito, kita mo? Corpus callosum, splenium, genome. Sa lateral view, caudate, thalamus. Pag hindi maalam sa lateral view, tignan niyo ulit sa transverse view. Punta naman tayo sa embryo and histo. Tignan niyo mabuti ito ha. This is the glomerulus. These are the proximal convoluted tubule. The proximal convoluted tubule are lined by simple cuboidal epithelium with brass border, while the distal convoluted tubules are lined by simple cuboidal without brass border. Okay? Organ. Ureter, transitional epithelium. Very good. How about this one? Floating villi. No, so this is in situ thromboblast. This is your fetal capillary containing fetal blood. This is your intervillous space. Ang lage would be your lacuna. Lacuna. This is the diencephalon. It will give rise to an evagination called the optic cup. The optic cup is divided into the posterior or the inner and the outer. The inner, this one, will become the neural retina, meaning those of the rods and cones, those of the rods and cones, and including the ganglion cells. Because talaga uno sarap sa pakit. This is your pigment layer. This is your pigment layer. This is the outer portion. The inner portion of the optic cup will become the neural retina. Outer portion will become the pigment layer. This is the optic stalk, where your optic nerve will pass through. This is your lens vesicle, coming from the surface ectoderm. Ang lage, lens placode, fade lens. This is another part of the surface ectoderm, which will become the cornea and conjunctiva. Again, optic cup from the neural ectoderm, lens vesicle from the lens placode coming from the surface ectoderm. This is another surface ectoderm which will become your cornea and your conjunctiva. This is the blastula. This is the inner cell mass which will become the embryo, and this is the outer cell mass which will become the trophoblast. The trophoblast will become the placenta. The endometrium of the pregnant mother, pregnant uterus, converts the cell into a cell rich in glycogen and fats. They are called decidual cells. Therefore, this endometrium is not called endometrium anymore. It's now called